Going to make yummy foods that help your brain grow and your words come out strong. Are you ready? Let's go. Brain boost, speech support, and fun learning.
Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple is our happy sunshine fruit. It makes our tummies and hearts smile. Avocado, avocado, avocado is our brain helper. It makes us think and remember better. Beetroot, beetroot is our strong energy fruit. It helps us run, jump, and play. Peach pawpaw, papaya, pawpaw is our gentle tummy friend. It helps us feel comfy inside. Blend it all. Say with me. Blend. 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 When we eat vegetables, our bodies grow healthy, and our words grow stronger too. Let's talk, learn, and play. Great talking, friends. Which veggie was your favorite? Tell us in the comments.
Hello, little learners. Today we're going on a treasure hunt, but not for gold, for nuts and seeds. Let's find the treasures. Look, here's a cashew. Cashew helps our brain think fast. Child finds another. Wow. A chia seed. Chia seeds give us energy to play all day. Pumpkin seeds. These help our speech and memory grow strong. Great job, treasure hunters.